Ever wondered who would win a chess game between the world's brightest human mind and an artificial intelligence? Welcome to the fascinating intersection of human and artificial intelligence. Human intelligence, the product of millions of years of evolution, is a complex phenomenon. It encompasses a wide array of abilities, such as problem-solving, understanding, learning, reasoning, and perception. It's the ability to create art, the capacity to feel emotions, and the power to invent tools and technologies. The human brain, a marvelous piece of organic machinery, has the ability to adapt, grow, and transform itself. It's capable of self-awareness, consciousness, empathy, and intuition. On the other side, we have artificial intelligence. Born out of human ingenuity, it's a form of intelligence that's created, not naturally evolved. AI excels in tasks that require speed, precision, and the ability to process vast amounts of data. It can play chess, diagnose diseases, drive cars, and even write scripts for videos like this one. But it lacks the depth of human intelligence. It doesn't understand art, can't feel emotions, and certainly doesn't have consciousness or intuition. In a chess game, AI might outsmart the brightest human player due to its ability to analyze millions of potential moves in seconds. But ask it to write a poem about the beauty of a sunset, and it would struggle. So who's smarter? It's not a straightforward comparison. It's like comparing an airplane to a bird. An airplane can fly higher and faster, but a bird can navigate without a compass, land on a tiny branch, and sing a beautiful song. Each has its own strengths and limitations. Human intelligence and artificial intelligence are two different types of intelligence. They complement each other. The fusion of human creativity, intuition, and emotional intelligence with the speed, precision, and data crunching capabilities of AI has the potential to create a world that's smarter and more efficient. In conclusion, the world isn't going to have dumb people in the age of AI. Instead, it will have a blend of human and artificial intelligence, each enhancing the other, leading to a future where we solve complex problems, create beautiful art, and explore the mysteries of the universe together. So the next time you hear about AI outperforming humans, remember, it's not a competition, it's a collaboration.